In this demo, we will build out a support agent from support articles for a company that sells headphone products. Typically, in this scenario, the support articles are spread around in multiple HTML pages. These pages are often not labeled directly and properly. So the first problem we have is how to handle raw HTML and turn it into a structured piece of data that can be easily queried and accurately used to answer user questions. So let's see what approach we can take here. For now, I have put all the HTML in a CSV file. Effectively, this file has a single column, which is HTML, and all the different product support type documents are set up in here. So for example, you will see that inside the HTML, the setup and installation section exists here. Similarly, the FAQ section also exists down below. Let's look for that. So we have many products, and then we have different types of support articles, but all of them in just raw HTML format. So what can we do with Corvic to help us process this data better? I have already created a data source where this file that you just saw is uploaded. We will go ahead and create a new app. Let's call this the support app. Let's drag and drop the data source. We will now extract structure from this data by doing a series of augments. As a first step, we need to extract what is available in the file as is by doing the extract tables step. We can also preview the data, and we can see that we have a single column HTML with all the HTML data dumped into this. Great. Now let's run a series of augment operations. And in each augment operation, we will add a bit of structure. In fact, we will extract it from what is available to us. Let's add a prompt to extract the document type. So in this AI augment, we have selected a model. We can select a model that we like. And then this prompt will act as below. It will take the HTML as input and extract the document type. I'll rename the output column, and we are good to go. I'm now going to add two more augments. The first one rather, for extracting the product name. Let's process this instruction. Great. Let's now apply this change to the pipeline. Finally, we will also clean up all the HTML and store as raw text, which this helps to search the data much better. Let's now switch, and just for experimentation, try a different GPT. Let's add the instruction. That instruction should be good enough. It takes the input as HTML and it just stores the content. Fantastic. Great. Now we have a pipeline ready to run. I'm going to run the pipeline. I'm also going to create a support agent. Let's go ahead and press the plus button here to create the agent and rename this as support agent. Now the support agent is ready. Let's wait for the pipeline to finish. All right. The pipeline has finished its processing and all the augmentation steps are done. Let's look at the final product. Now all the augmented data appears as new columns. So now you can see the original raw HTML, but also the document type, the product name, as well as the content. Let's now build out an agent. So here we have the support agent, and this support agent has been given a very simple instruction, and that is to use the support app and just act as a support agent, a simple prompt, and use the tables that are available for you to answer the question. So let me ask the question. So let's ask an LED related question, and let's see what it comes up with. And in 25 seconds, I got the answer. So you can see that we executed an SQL on the product name. We also tried to collect the documents and look for the product name in the content. With that, we found something suitable. The agent was able to figure out that these are the possible issues and solutions. In particular, that it should be plugged in for at least 15 minutes, which may have been the root cause. As simple as that, we have a support agent up and running. Thank you.